Okay, so we're back on the tutorial. So we're gonna learn about union type function parameter. So we want a function that can so it's never been done on any programming language that a function can, how we gonna say it, accept a string or array in parameter. So if you're gonna achieve this, you can do a overload function like that with same name but different parameter, and yeah, your code's gonna get longer on that. So on TypeScript you can use union type function parameter. So you know what, let's just start this. So let's create function and display name. So on the parameter we're gonna give this a string, and you're gonna use the pipeline, and we want a string array. So if we pass this with string or array, it should be work fine. It doesn't matter anyway. String like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check if the type of names is equal to string. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna only console.log that, because we know it's one entity, right? Names. So we're gonna console that. So else, what we're gonna do, so let's say, you know what, so let's pour in. We already learned pour in, right? So pour can do var I in and names like that. So we don't need to use length like that, it's so crowded. And yeah, so on this one, so console.log, we're gonna get names. Okay, names with parameter of I like that. And okay, so what's this? It should be S, right? Okay, so everything's working fine. And yeah, let's just start it. So on this one, you see the string on the parameter. We're accepting a string and string array. To use the display function, do that. I want to say John, and like that. So we're gonna create array for this one. So let's say array names is equal to John. Like that. And we're gonna display name all of this. So we're gonna pass this with array. So some programming language, this thing will not work because they did not introduce the tuples like that. You can pass this, and yeah, it should be work, right? Dino run 02.union.ts should be work. Okay, so let's say console, so I can see more clearly. I'm gonna do this and we compile it. Okay, so this one we accept the array, so we loop this using pour in. So we already learned pour in, right? So, and yeah, so this is the union type function parameter. Nothing too special to learn, it's so easy, it can be useful. So in the next tutorial we're gonna let's say the next tutorial, I think we're gonna learn. So you know what? I'm still thinking what the next tutorial is. So we're still on Union right now. And yeah, see you on the next tutorial.